So, are you looking to buy a home in New Jersey and perhaps you're saying, I already got a pre-approval? What if I could tell you a way to make it better? What if I could tell you a way to supercharge that pre-approval? Don't go anywhere because we're getting after it right now. If this is your first time to the Living in New Jersey channel, please feel free to click on the subscribe button, tap the bell for notifications so you can be one of the first people to be alerted to these amazing videos. My name is Matthew Williamson. I'm a luxury realtor here in the state of New Jersey, and on the daily, the team and I, we get text, we get phone calls, we get emails, we get it all, folks, the whole ball of wax, and we get communication from people just like you, and you're like, well, who am I? You're a home buyer, a prospective home buyer. You're looking for a home, and we get communication on the daily from people just like you, hoping to be turned into what you see here around me on the screen. Those are incredible reviews left to us by our incredible and amazing clients. All those smiles you see are sincere and genuine, and we got them to what I call the closing table, or what you lovingly refer to as the promised land. So whether you're looking to move in 6 weeks, 6 months, 9 months, 9 weeks, whatever that number is, please feel free to reach out to us. We will definitely help you get to the promised land. But today, the topic of discussion is how to supercharge your pre-approval. Now, this gentleman right here next to me, I lovingly refer to him as the money. Absolutely. You're going to need him to get that house unless you're a Powerball winner or you get a scratch ticket. Either way, he is going to school you and he's going to school me. Basically, he's going to take us to Lending School 101 and he is going to tell you how to improve the boring pre-approval that you have in your hand. Fill us in, Money.
Sure. My name is Brian DeVito. I'm a Senior Vice President of Lending with Guaranteed Rate. And typically, if a buyer's looking to purchase a home in a normal environment, typically the process is they get pre-approved, they're out with Matthew, you're looking to find a home, make the offer gets accepted, then we start processing that file.
Correct?
What POWERBID's going to do, and POWERBID's something that you want to consider right now because there's limited inventory. With limited inventory, there's still a lot of people that are looking to buy a home, so there's a lot of competition. So we got to do everything that we can in our power to make our clients' offers stand out as much as possible. With POWERBID, we're basically doing about 80% of the legwork up front on that file without having a home picked out. So we're going to go through underwriting, and when someone goes through underwriting, that's when your loan's approved. That's when the bank's going to say, okay, Matthew, you're good to go to buy this home. And by doing that, getting that all done up front, you're going to be able to close in as quickly as 14 days. That's going to put you on the same level as a cash offer. And there's going to be no guesswork with your income, your assets, your credit. Underwriting is going to verify all of those documents and say, Matthew, you're good to go. All you need is a house. And when somebody takes advantage of POWERBID, typically once they get an accepted offer, the only documents that we typically need are the contract, title from the attorney, maybe an appraisal, and homeowner's insurance. So if anybody's watching this video, if you are looking to buy a home right now, I highly recommend reaching out to us, learn more about POWERBID. Doesn't cost you any money. It's good for 90 days, and it's going to help get that offer accepted.
So just to kind of spin all that together, right? Just to kind of boil that down and kind of do a Q&A kind of fashion, although you just sort of hit on it, and I don't want to be too repetitive. I like to talk, folks. I can't help it. So little Q&A session. So question number 1, how long does the POWERBID last?
90 days.
Now, a typical pre-approval regular has a little bit longer shelf life, right?
120 days.
120 days. Number 2, maybe question number 2, folks. Typically, how long will it take you to get a mortgage commitment letter kicked out with a POWERBID?
48, 72 hours, 2-3 days.
So from the time they say, hey, Brian, we have a pre-approval from lender ABC. Can you change this into a POWERBID with guaranteed rate? You get that information from them, kind of go over everything with underwriting, but typically within about 72 hours, sort of a safe turnaround time.
Yep.
Absolutely wonderful. Now, question number 3, how much will this cost that person? Is it a higher zero? Is it a higher interest rate if they go to POWERBID? Is there any extra closing fees?
Nope.
Is there any small print? They're gonna have to pay extra money somewhere if they go to a POWERBID?
Nope. You're basically, again, like I said, we're doing the underwriting portion of the loan up front. So we're verifying the income, the assets, and the credit. We're determining a budget for that buyer. But again, by doing all that stuff up front, It's going to allow you to close faster, and sometimes speed wins in this environment. So
I agree with that actually 100%. Now, I know as a home buyer, you're like, I don't want to be rushed. Speed nothing. Speed does win. Don't be afraid of speed, right? That's why this POWERBID is really a supercharged pre-approval. It is an amazing option, and it can make a difference. I want to be real clear. If you find a home that you heart, that you love, and you find out there's 15 other offers on the table, if you're the only POWERBID pre-approval, that just might get it done for you. That could be the difference that makes you stand out from the other 15 offers that are already on the table. And as you said, it doesn't cost them anything extra to go to a POWERBID.
There's no downside to do it. I'm suggesting it to every single client that I speak to right now. If you're calling me to get pre-approved, we're going to do the pre-approval, but we're going to want to run that loan through POWERBID. It's just going to better your chances of getting an accepted offer. So
excellent. Well, down below will be all of our contact information in the description. Once again, if this is your first time to the channel, or even if it's not, you've been slacking, please feel free to click on the subscribe button, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first one to be alerted to highly, highly amazing videos like this one. And once again, thanks for giving us your time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the block.
take care, everybody.
Bye-bye.